What's up? What's up, everybody?
Hi, guys.
My name is Peyton, and today this is Cameron,
This is Peyton.
and we're doing different YouTube channels.
And
But
today,
since we're brothers and
That's
sisters,
Dora, did that.
what?
Yeah, introduce each other. This is Cameron. That's Peyton.
Yeah, that's
That's
cool.
Dora.
And I just want to say, everybody, leave a like for my dad. Give him some money or stuff
What
because
up, motherfucker?
my dad is really good. He's a good guy, and he got me this Nintendo Switch. He basically teaches me everything I know today. And everybody just give a shout out for my dad. His name is Jovar Hagens.
Yeah, everybody likes me now any other day, but they hate me.
okay, so this video we're gonna be opening the Nintendo Switch.
All right, let's get started. Oh, and that again, thank you so much. I pray for you every night, Dad.
And we got this from Walmart.
I'm gonna pray for you every night, Dad.
And remember,
Hold on,
Alright.
don't open it yet. So first,
Let's see the
we
game.
got Is
Super Mario.
Odyssey.
All right,
You guys,
I love this. I love this game. Okay, so let's see. It says some other stuff. Something. If my screen is blurry, I'm sorry. But I need to go get a new phone. But it's
Okay,
alright.
let's
It doesn't matter.
the second thing in the bag is we have a glass screen protector. Is it for the tablet? So, because
yeah.
the thing that the tablet's in is scratches easily, so this is for that. Okay, then now the good part.
The
Nintendo
Nintendo Switch.
Take the
Alright.
bag. Take the bag. Move the bag.
Let me get that.
Okay. So here's the Nintendo Switch. Let me see.
I think it's sexy.
I know, right? Dad, how do you
Take the
feel?
tape real quick.
Alright.
Now we're gonna open.
Don't rip the box though. Like,
We're gonna open it now. Okay, no,
Well, if you guys see that line,
Oh,
I'm
no.
charging my phone because my phone is literally on 7, so I'm
I'm
trying
gonna
to.
open it.
Hi, I think
Oh,
you have
what?
to yeah. Wait, there's a box right there.
It's gonna rip.
let me see.
Okay, let's see how you do this. Oops, oopsies. Okay, let's see. I'm gonna do some other gameplays like Sonic Mania, and some other stuff. Yeah.
Ready, babe?
Alright. Yep. Okay.
Make the,
Oh, and
make the,
Sebastian, in your face, I
Make
got
the
Nintendo
noise.
Switch. Dun 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 dun.
Da-da-da-da. What about the Batman music?
Wait,
okay, so this right
it's a-
here, we're gonna see what this is.
Da-da-da-da-da.
So in the middle right here, so on this side,
Batman.
I
Alright.
guess this just the charger, the wire.
Yeah, it has a charger. Alright.
Okay. Alright, we gotta keep up with all the pieces too.
Okay,
Alright.
then in here, this part is
Yep.
on the
Oh,
bottom.
finally the Switch.
the
Let's see it.
box right here.
Because the one thing I just thought of, we're gonna have to unhook the PlayStation first.
Oh yeah, true. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Phone storage is full.
No.
Is it visible?
No, stop.
Wait, no, it doesn't get it. Wait.
It's it. Okay. So hold on. We got pause it.
This part
Okay.
is where the
Oh yeah.
switch
you-
is.
Yeah, if you put those two together in this, then it can act like it's a real PS controller.
Alright, now here's the switch. So there it
Oh my
is.
gosh! Oh my goodness, everybody! I'm gonna kill myself. No, I'm not. No, I'm not. I'm just kidding.
Okay. So here, the tablet. Yeah.
To play it on the console at home?
No, you
No.
could do it on
Right,
TV.
so here's the
Oh, so you could put that
tablet.
aside?
Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah.
Let's open the tablet.
Okay, let's hug this up.
Wait,
We'll be right
wait,
back.
wait.
The tablet. Here's the tablet. Okay. Now these little parts. How do you open this part?
Okay, guys, we'll be right
Yeah,
back.
That,
No, almost done.
yeah, this thing is sexy. It's actually a Nintendo tablet.
So here's the blue one. Here's the red. I call
Yep.
the blue one.
No, I call it. You know what? Since I'm gonna be Mario, then I guess I'm red.
Okay, and then this is, I guess, the. Oh, this is the tablet case thing that it goes in.
Why is there so much to unwrap it? Like, have to unwrap this and then that and then
This is
that.
where the tablet goes in. Like,
Yeah,
Okay.
he said be
Yeah.
easy with that part.
Yeah.
All right, so where's the console?
Okay, guys, we're gonna
like-
pause
That's
this
the
video real
console
quick.
right there?
There is.
All right,
Hey, guys,
come
I-
on. Straighten that stuff up before
alright.
you play. Just make all
I
the
got-
packages nice.
All right.
Cameron, straighten up your shit.
Okay, guys. So yeah, that's it. I would do a gameplay right now, but I'm busy, so I'll do a next one. But yeah, this is the game. I'm about to play it, but I have to clean up because we made a terrible disaster. So I see you guys later on the next video. And I wish you guys all luck. Have a good life. Alright, bye guys.